Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a sound that's probably all too familiar to many of you, especially on those chilly mornings. You hop in your car, turn the key, and loud, high-pitched, screeching or squealing noise erupts from under the hood. It might last for a few seconds or even a minute, and then it just disappears as the engine warms up. So, what on earth is causing that awful racket? Well, 9 times out of 10, you're hearing what's called belt slip. Let's dive into what that means and why it happens. So, what is this belt we're talking about? In most modern cars, you'll find a single, long, serpentine belt. This belt is a crucial component. It snakes its way around several pulleys, and its job is to transfer power from the engine's crankshaft to various accessories. Think of things like the alternator, which charges your battery, the power steering pump, which makes turning the wheel easy, the water pump, which circulates coolant to prevent overheating, and the air conditioning compressor. This belt drives all of them. It's a real workhorse. The noise you hear on a cold start is typically the belt slipping on one or more of these pulleys. Imagine trying to run on a slippery, icy surface. You'd be moving your legs, but you wouldn't get much grip. It's the same principle. The belt is trying to turn a pulley, but it can't get enough traction, so it slides and vibrates rapidly, creating that high-pitched squeal. But why does it happen mostly when it's cold? There are a couple of main reasons. First, temperature affects the belt material itself. The rubber compound of the belt becomes harder and less pliable in the cold. A less flexible belt doesn't conform as well to the grooves of the pulleys, which reduces its grip. Think of a cold tire versus a warm one on a racetrack. The warm one is much stickier. Second, morning dew and condensation can play a big role. Overnight, as temperatures drop, moisture can form on the surface of the belt and pulleys. This thin layer of moisture acts as a lubricant, making it much easier for the belt to slip. As the engine runs, the friction and heat generated quickly evaporate this moisture. The belt warms up and becomes more flexible, and the grip is restored. That's why the noise usually goes away after a minute or two. Now, while a little bit of moisture might be the immediate cause, persistent or worsening squealing points to a more fundamental issue. The most common culprit is a worn-out belt. Over time, the rubber degrades. It can become glazed, meaning the surface gets smooth and shiny. It can also develop cracks, or the ribs on the underside can wear down. A worn belt simply can't grip the pulleys effectively, even when it's dry and warm. Another major cause is improper belt tension. The belt needs to be held at a specific tension to maintain its grip. Too loose, and it will slip. Too tight, and it will put excessive strain on the bearings of the accessories, leading to premature failure of your alternator or water pump, which is a much more expensive repair. Most modern vehicles have an automatic belt tensioner. This is a spring-loaded or hydraulic device with a pulley that constantly applies the correct amount of pressure to the belt. These tensioners can wear out, the spring can weaken, or the pivot point can seize, leading to incorrect tension and belt slip. So, how do you fix it? The first step is a good visual inspection, with the engine off. Of course, take a look at the belt. Does it look shiny or glazed? Can you see any cracks, fraying, or missing chunks of rubber? You can use a flashlight to get a better view. Also, check the tension. Try to twist the belt at its longest span. You should only be able to twist it about 90 degrees. If it feels very loose, the tensioner might be the problem. If the belt looks old and worn, the solution is simple. Replace it. It's a relatively inexpensive part and a common maintenance item. When you replace the belt, it's always a good idea to inspect the tensioner and pulleys at the same time. Spin each pulley by hand. They should spin smoothly and quietly. If you hear any grinding noises or feel any roughness, that component's bearing is failing and it should be replaced along with the belt. If the tensioner pulley feels wobbly or the tensioner arm doesn't spring back firmly, it's time for a new tensioner as well. In summary, that cold start squeal is your car's way of telling you its serpentine belt is slipping. It could be due to cold, stiff rubber and moisture, but it often signals a worn-out belt or a failing tensioner. Don't ignore it. A belt that slips can't properly power your alternator or water pump, and if it breaks completely, you'll be stranded. It's an easy fix that can save you from a major headache down the road. I hope this explanation helps you diagnose that annoying morning noise. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips from Code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.